Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I will have one of my subscription boxes for the month of October. I have my Boxycharm. I did upgrade my Boxycharm to the deluxe one or whatever. I think that one will come in December or November, I'm not so sure, but in the meantime let's see what we have in the regular one. So here is the box as usually. Let's open this and see what we have in here. As always, the card, and we have on the back a coupon code of $10% off for your next purchase. Here is the card inside with the products that we get in this one, in this month. And let's go ahead and see. I like the fact that they always have this sponge which keep the product safe. And let's go ahead and see what we have this month. I'm still not sure if it's the upgraded or not, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's see what we have here. And we have a pack here. This is Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask, Intense Exfoliating Facial Mask with Compression Lace Support, Peel Intensity Level Medium. So is this one here. I feel like we have two products in here, like a sponge and a tube. So this is the product, and let's see what they say about this one. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliating experience. This one is $30 alone. So yeah, it's the first product in here. Then we have, and it seems like we have full-size products, so it might be the upgraded one. I have no idea. Let's see what we have next. We have the well-known mascara, which is from 8 Cosmetics. Is the superhero mascara in full size. I'm not gonna open this one because I have a ton of mascaras open, but I will show you the, I don't have any picture with the one. Actually it is one here, but you cannot see much. Here is the shape of this mascara, a full size. About this one, about this mascara, it's superhero elastic stretch volumizing mascara. Wrap your lashes in lightening volume boosting and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. $24 in full size, this one. Then we have in here, we have a lipstick. It's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D, and this one is in the shade Lovesick. Is the full size. About this one, enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. $20 this one. And I will swatch this one, and I will try it one in the next video with other lipsticks that I got in boxes. So we'll have a full series of that video. In the meantime, this is the color for this one, and I love the packaging, always beautiful. Here is the shade of this one. Pretty nice color. And here is the color for this one. Then we have in here a well-known product for me and probably for you also, a product that I like. It's the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I am so much into cleansing balms lately. Love them. So we have the full size here. This one comes with 50 milliliters. I believe it's the full size. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on skin, leaving it hydrating and smooth. $22 this one. Happy to get cleansing balms in boxes. Then we have one more product in here, and this one is a palette from Pour, which looks pretty nice as packaging. And here is the back of this one. Let me open this one. Pour comes so often with new palettes, so we have the same print as on the box. And here is the palette inside. And here is I will try to cover the mirror, and here are the eyeshadows, and those are blushes. Let's see what they say about this one. Unveil your true beauty with this 10-piece face palette that is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Make a bold statement with this 4 shimmery face powder and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye contours. So this one is called, let's see what's the name of this one. This one is a Midnight Masquerade palette, and this one is $38. So I will show you again the palette. Here are 4 colors, those 4 colors. I cannot imagine this one being a blush, but anyway, it's just my opinion. We'll see how they work. I will try to do a review for this palette. And here are again the shades. Of course, love the purple one, and I'm sure we can work on the other colors too. We have a gold in here. We have as far as I can see, we have a matte color, and the rest of them are shimmer colors. So is this palette. So far, as usual, the Boxycharm treats us with an eyeshadow palette. Here is the back of this packaging. So we have this eye palette, we have a full-size mascara, we have probably a full-size cleansing balm. And I showed you the lipstick. This is a lipstick from Kat Von D in a full size, the mascara in a full size, and this peeling mask. So it's a pretty good box, I would say. Let me know what do you think about the box. And I got the variation number 1 in case if you wanna know what's in, because I know there are 2 different boxes. I got the number 1. So let me know what do you think about Boxycharm, about the upgrade that they have on their box. And it seems like the lipstick, it's a matte formula, a matte finish. So we'll try this one in the next video. I have so many videos that I want to film that I don't know, but I don't know when I will. Anyway, in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for commenting, because I'm sure I will enjoy new comments in the comment box. So yeah, that's kind of all. Let me know what do you think about the box, if you like the October box. I will see you guys very soon with another video. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Always don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. thank you so much for that. See you soon. Bye bye.